Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you like a quick tip for how to do for the next week of Schoology, like how to assign things. So obviously, that's kind of a refresher for those friends who may not remember, but when we're adding for the next week, what we're going to do is we're going to import from resources. We're going to click on our weekly template and we're going to import. Click import to confirm. And at the bottom, it's going to have my weekly template, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure I rename it, obviously, for the week that I'm going to be doing it as. So this is the week of I'm saving my changes. So one thing that we talked about in our meeting is that we wanted to make sure that we had our folders not published for our kids. So what you're going to do before you unpublish your green folder, you're going to go in and you're going to set a time for these folders to be individually assigned. So the way that you work, the way that you do that is you click on the gear for the day. So this is for Monday. I'm going to put edit. And in the drop down, I'm going to put publish on start date, and I'm going to select the day for this day, which is the 31st. And the reason we are doing it this way is because it will, if you only make the folder itself unpublished, then you're not going, then on Monday, they're going to see all the assignments. So you need to make sure that you give these folders a start date. So Tuesday, again, I'm going to my gear, I'm pushing edit, publish on start date, and this will be September 1st. And my computer's being finicky, sorry. Okay, save changes. And you'll continue that process while you go. So this might take me a couple seconds. So if you want to skip through a little bit, you can. Again, I'm going edit, clicking the day, publish on start date. And then finally Friday. Okay, so now that I have all of my days set to where I want it, now is when I can go and I can unpublish my folder, or I can edit. I'm sorry, I'm going to edit first. And then on the bottom, I'm going to put the same thing, publish on start date, and I'm going to put the day of that week, that Monday, and I put save. That way, this can show up on the first Monday, but the individual folders itself will not show up until the day that it needs to. So if you do that and you're doing it inside this folder, I did this in my math folder. So now I'm going to go to my gear one more time, and I'm going to put copy to courses. When I copy it to courses, all of that stuff I just did, all of the publish dates, I only will have to do that one time. And now I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to check all of my courses that I teach. That way that folder is already in there for me to use. Copy, copy folder. And then all you'll have to do whenever that happens is make sure to go to your courses. And if you want to put it in a specific order, you can drag it. And it looks like it actually did it. I might have already put it in the correct order that I wanted. So yeah, that's what you can do to make sure that you have everything where you need it. And this is the other one. I'll show you an example. This is reading. I did it in math. So when I click in it, it shows me that these dates are indeed the days that need to be published. So yeah, it's a quick tip for you guys. Thanks. Bye.